Hi, so today I'm going to show you how to wire up RGBW LED tape with the driver and controller. It sounds like it could be a difficult thing to do, but in fact if you follow the instructions it is pretty simple. Okay, so first of all we have got to expose the 5 wires on your RGBW, that's red, green, blue and the white colour, together with the earth, which in this case is the black cable. Okay, so what you have is the wall control and the receiver that it effectively talks to by radio. You got to ensure that between these two there is not like a metal wall in between them, something that can interrupt the radio waves. Now the wall controller is pretty comprehensive. It can address 4 different zones, and if you don't know what a zone means, think of it as 4 different rooms, if you like, that has LED tape in each one of them. The other controls on the wall control are obviously on off. This is actually to change the mode, so you can have them on steady or flashing or any one of the 30 different built-in modes. This is for the brightness of them, and this controls simply the white light, the white LEDs. Okay, so this again is pretty simple in that it does not require a driver or a transformer or anything like that. This simply attaches to the mains power. So you wire in the mains power to these two here. It's pretty much a simple thing to do. Ignore all of the other stuff. Okay, this is all to do with DMX controls, so if you were wiring them, but we're not. We're doing it by RF, radio frequency, right now. So that's the actual controller. And it talks to the receiver, which is this, the R4C receiver. What you can see here is where the red, green, blue and white cables go, and the black one, which is the ground. Okay. Additionally, the two here where it says input 12 to 36 volts DC, this is where the transformer comes in. So here's your transformer. Okay, 2 wires come from that, the plus and the minus, and they go to there. Okay, and the wires, they're in like that. Okay, so if you can imagine it, this is actually the secondary side here. So the 24 volts comes in to this point here. Okay, and obviously here, this is where the mains power goes into. So you've got to have mains power at your wall point and mains power to power the driver. Okay,